Hello, I would like to show you the step-by-step process how to install the certificate to enable the Analytics Debugger on your iOS device. And I have prepared over here my iPhone, which is connected via cable, and I'm mirroring my screen. And basically, this is not needed for you to enable the debugger. I have just set up it for demonstration purposes, just to give you a better picture what I'm doing on iPhone. So this is my iPhone that I'm just mirroring over here. And over here, I have the Analytics Debugger app. So let's go in. What I did as a first step, I have connected my iPhone, or if you use iPad, to the same Wi-Fi network as my MacBook. So the MacBook and iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once I do that, in Analytics Debugger, I will hit the Apple icon, and on my iOS device, on iPhone or your iPad, I will go to the settings, I will go to Wi-Fi, I will go to the Wi-Fi detail, and then I will scroll down, and at the bottom I can see the HTTP proxy, and I will hit the configure proxy. I'm going to set up the proxy as manual, and to the server I will type this server which is being shown in Analytics Debugger. So 150, 120, and 7777. I'm gonna hit save. And then as a next step, I will open in my Safari this URL. So http://debug the em.all, and I'm gonna hit enter. And once I hit enter, I will download the configuration profile to my device, to your iPhone or to your iPad. So I'm gonna hit hello. Profile is being downloaded right now. And then I will go to the settings. And as you can see, my profile has been downloaded. I'm gonna open this tab. I'm going to install the profile, install, hit the passcode, install one more time, install, and profile is being installed right now. And this is actually the first step that I need to download the profile to my device. And the second step is crucial to enable the debug in your Analytics Debugger. And it is that you need to trust this certificate that you have just downloaded to your device. So how to do it? Again, I will go to the settings. In settings, I will go to general. In general, I go to about, and on this screen, I will scroll down and I can see the certificate trust settings. And over here, I need to turn on this switch. I'm gonna hit continue. So right now I'm trusting this certificate and I'm setting it as a root certificate. So I'm gonna hit continue. And right now I have I have did all of the settings that I needed to enable the debug for Analytics Debugger. So let's verify it if it works properly. Right now I will hit Start Debugging, and I will try to open, for instance, the Google Maps mobile app. So I have opened it. I'm just gonna put it to the background a bit. And as you can see on the right side, there are already some events which are being shown in Analytics Debugger. So from the Google Maps, I can see the event Goldfinger explore.igmmm. And over here, I can see some parameters that are being collected with this event. So thank you for watching. I hope that it helped you a bit. And thank you. Bye-bye.